Beginning from your account security overview, click on Setup to begin enabling your Yubikey. Read the notes carefully, and if you agree, click Continue anyway. On the next page, you will be required to insert your Yubikey and activate it. To do so, please insert your Yubikey into an available USB port and touch its button within 60 seconds. If this time expires, you can retry it. Click Allow if you get the following message. You can set a label or a name to your Yubikey. This step is optional. And when you are ready, click Verify your account. If your account has Google Authentication enabled, you will be required to input your Google Authenticator code. Next, you'll need to go to your email to verify the Yubikey setup request. Congratulations, your Yubikey is now enabled. If you would like to remove your Yubikey from your account, you can click the Delete button, which has replaced the initial Setup button. From there, you will need to read the warning and click I understand if you agree. Insert your Yubikey and tap on the button. Finally, insert your Google Authentication code and your Yubikey will have been deleted.